Good morning, class. Our lesson today is about angles. What is an angle? An angle is a union of two rays with a common endpoint. Point L is the vertex. The rays are LK and LM. This will be the sides of the given angle. It can be named angle KLF or angle FLK or angle L. To avoid confusion, using a number or small letter in naming an angle is better when two or more angles are sharing in the same vertex. The different names for the angles with vertex T are angles RTC, angle CTR, or angle 1. It can be named to angle CTM, angle MTC, or angle 2. And angle MTG, angle GTM, or angle 3. The three sets of points are the interior of angle, the exterior of angle, and on the angle itself. The point W is the interior of angle XVX. Point Y is in the exterior of the angle, and point U is on the angle. Point W is on the same side of DU that contains S, and on the same side of VX that contains Z. Have you noticed above the figure, there is a rotation. Ray AB is the initial side and ray AC is the terminal side. The movement of the rotation is always counterclockwise. The figure is read as angle BAC only. Let's proceed to measure of an angle. Angles are measured in degrees with the use of protractor. This measuring instrument is also used to construct an angle of a given measure. To measure an angle, place the center mark of the protractor on the point of intersection vertex of the angle and place the 0 degrees mark on one side of the angle. Classification of angles according to measure. An angle with a measure greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. First, we need to draw a point, and then to measure the angle, place the center mark of the protractor on the point of intersection vertex of the angle. And then the measure of terminal side is 45 degrees.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
A 90 degrees angle is called a right angle. This is the example of right angle. First, we need to measure a right angle. Place the center mark of the protractor. Then the terminal side is 90 degrees.
Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room.
An angle 90 degrees but less than 80 degrees is called obtuse angle. This is the example of obtuse angle. To measure an obtuse angle, place the center mark of the protractor and then the terminal side is 120 degrees.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room.
An angle with a measure greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. This is the example of reflex angle. Now, to measure an reflex angle, place the center mark of the protractor and then the thermal side is 200 degrees. Take note, the reflex angle with a measure greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Adjacent angles are angles that have a common side. This is the example of adjacent angle. To measure the adjacent angle, place the center mark of the protractor on the point of intersection vertex of the angle and place the 0 degrees mark on one side of the angle. Take down note adjacent angles that have a common side.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
Thank you for watching this video about angles. God bless you. Bye.